The STEM 13-in-1 Education Solar Power Robots Kit is designed as an engaging and educational toy that introduces children to the fundamentals of solar energy, robotics, and engineering through hands-on building projects. This kit allows kids to construct 13 different types of robots which can move on land or water, powered entirely by solar energy. It aims to combine fun with learning by encouraging children to explore STEM concepts in an interactive way. The kit includes all necessary parts such as gears, plates, tires, and shafts, which can be easily assembled and disassembled, fostering repeated use and experimentation. The materials are made from non-toxic ABS plastic with smooth edges to ensure safety during play. The product targets children aged 8 to 12 years old, making it suitable for both boys and girls interested in science and technology. One of the key features of this kit is its 13-in-1 design, which offers a variety of robot models ranging from animals to vehicles. This variety keeps children engaged by providing multiple building challenges and learning opportunities. The solar-powered mechanism eliminates the need for batteries, teaching children about renewable energy sources and sustainability. The kit comes with a detailed instruction manual that guides users through the assembly process step by step, helping children develop problem-solving skills and hands-on abilities. Additionally, the kit offers 2 levels of complexity, making it adaptable to different ages and skill levels, which supports progressive learning. From an educational standpoint, the kit promotes STEM learning by encouraging critical thinking, creativity, and engineering skills. Children gain an understanding of solar energy and its practical applications, which enhances their awareness of sustainable technologies. The assembly process also improves fine motor skills and spatial awareness, contributing to cognitive development. Parents and educators can use this kit as a tool to foster teamwork and family bonding through collaborative building projects. In terms of performance, many users have found the kit to be intellectually stimulating and fun. It provides a rewarding experience as children see their creations come to life powered by sunlight. However, some users have reported challenges with the solar power functionality, noting that the robots may not move effectively without strong direct sunlight. This limitation can restrict indoor play or use on cloudy days. Assembly can be time-consuming and complex for younger children, often requiring adult assistance. Some parts have been described as fragile or prone to breaking if handled roughly, which calls for careful supervision during play. There have been mixed reviews regarding the quality of certain components. A few users experienced issues such as loose solder on the solar panel or unclear instructions, which affected the building process and overall satisfaction. In some cases, broken wires or rough running parts led to frustration and returns. Despite these drawbacks, many users still recommend the kit for its educational value and the opportunity it provides to explore science in a hands-on manner. The kit is packaged attractively, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It encourages children to engage with science in a creative and practical way, which can inspire a lasting interest in technology and engineering fields. The eco-friendly aspect of using solar power aligns well with current trends towards sustainability and environmental awareness. Overall, the STEM 13-in-1 Education Solar Power Robots Kit is a valuable educational toy that successfully merges learning with play. It offers a diverse range of building projects that challenge and entertain children while teaching important STEM concepts. Although it requires direct sunlight for optimal operation and may present assembly difficulties, the benefits of hands-on learning and the variety of models make it a worthwhile investment. This kit is recommended for parents and educators seeking to inspire curiosity and develop STEM skills in children aged 8 to 12. Users are encouraged to leave their own reviews to help others make informed decisions and to support the community of learners exploring the exciting world of solar robotics.